What's up, my Immortal fams, and welcome back to our channel Arcade Immortal. And today's video, I'm going to share how you can copy my trades that I'm placing with my strategy, and I will also show you one running trade which is running also on this copy trade account. So it is on Justmarket. Yeah, I cannot do it on XNS because they are not giving me the leverage that is required for copy trade, and they are this broker Justmarket is giving me the leverage. So yeah, you can copy him in here, and in here you can see the minimum investment, how much you need to have to copy me, and you can see the profits as happening in here. And right now the open trades, which is just now, I will show you this open trade on my account. So you can see in here also it's like $245 in profit, and my account is less than like $800. So that's like almost more than 30% gain in just today. And you can see I'm doing as per the strategy, and I will also explain why I placed this trade. So you can see this, I'm using the gold chart because gold is giving me very good entries. That's why I like gold more. And on 30 minutes today, I was using 30 minutes for confirmation. Okay, so whenever I got a signal for buy on here on this candle, you can see there's a buy signal, buy arrow. So when I got a confirmation, I checked the last candles if I also got arrows. So on 15 minutes also I got a confirmation that there's a buy forming. And even on 5 minutes there was a very high candles, like this candle was buy, and you can see most of the candles are buy candle. If it's a white candle, then it's a buy. If it's a black candle like this, it's a sell candle. So you can see it's a very clear breakout of patterns. So this happens every time in morning, anytime. This can happen anytime. It's not like you can get this trade so easily. You have to be very patient. Just see the candles. On 30 minutes I got a confirmation, so I placed a trade just by it. And if you see on 30 minutes I get very better entries, like this candle is such a big entry, this candle, this candle, this candle, all the candles are very good entries if you confirm with the 30 minutes candle that the trend is going to stay. Okay, otherwise on 15 minutes there are so many arrows. You can see on 15 minutes so many arrows, and it's not a confirmed trade. But if you double check with 30 minutes, you will get a very good single side entry. And on this strategy you should always try to find a trade which is going to go one direction, like one sided. If you try to trade on a sideways market, you will get very less profits, and it's not a good thing. You cannot double your account every day. And these accounts are my different accounts. I am trading with the same trades I am copying. You can see this account is around $400 in plus on an account which is only $556 in profit. So this is my own risky account that I don't give for copying because it's not required. It's the same trade. And this account is the Justmarket account. Okay, you can see all these trades, whatever trades I place on my own accounts gets copied on all these accounts. Okay, so if you want to copy me, you can copy me on Justmarket. Okay, in here you can see how it's performing. Mostly it will be very good performance, and yeah, you can see how much commission is charged and everything. And yeah, the minimum investment, as I've said, it will be different every time. Right now it's like $156 minimum investment, and it will reduce the lot size as per your account. Don't worry. Okay, so today I think I will get a very good profit. Let's see. There's a bit of reversal, but I think it's temporary. Otherwise I will close it. It's okay. I will still make like 180 $70. I'm just seeing the candles. Otherwise, yeah, there's a trailing also on my software. So yeah, it's trailing the 15 minutes candle. As you can see, this 15 minutes candle. So I don't know if it will go up, but let's see. I was waiting for a long time, so let's see how much profit we book. But yeah, if you want to copy, this is just a short video. You can copy like me, and I already explained why I took this trade. Otherwise, if you already understand the strategy, you can get a good entry like this. And this thing works mostly on gold, because on currency it's mostly sideways. If you see For currency, I was not getting a very good entry. Like, yeah, there are some entries like this, but yeah, you can see after that the market just went flat. It was very flat. We need a direction directly with the market, but yeah, it's not the best trades you can get. But currency is very slow. I don't like currency that much, but on this candle, maybe you will get a good entry. If you get this 30 minutes candle, then see the market just went up like that. So if you get this entry, then yeah. But yeah, you can see even on 30 minutes you are getting so many candles printing on the same directions. So yeah, it's very confusing on gold, on currency, sorry. But on gold, it's much easier to filter the trades. It's much easier because I just waited for the 30 minutes to print a arrow, and then just place the trade as per this candle. Okay, as you can see, my trade was placed on this area. So yeah, it was a good entry. Let's see, I can still make roughly around 200 or $300. It was almost $300. So let's see, maybe if it comes back to $300, I will close it. So thanks for watching till here. If you have any more question, you can ask me on WhatsApp. And this is real accounts again. You can see XNS account, and XNS accounts cannot be faked. It's not a like a fake broker or something. It's a real broker. So yeah, it's real money. So thanks for watching. If you have any more question, you can ask me on WhatsApp, and you can copy me on here. Just find me on the leaderboard. It's easy. So thanks for watching. See you on my next videos. Till then, bye.
Yo, I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along and see it's true, but the world is pretty cold. You might need a